Hey everybody, I want to show you how to make money with a new social media site that's taking the world by storm. Okay, some people say that it's replacing Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and a whole bunch of other social media. Okay, and I want to show you how you can monetize it for free. That's right, free. So if you've been using other social media already, like I have, or maybe you're totally new to digital marketing, Parler is a unique new opportunity. You might have seen it in the news and things, but it's brand new. Why? Because they are wide open like the Wild West. They consider themselves a free speech zone, so they don't judge you on what you post or what products you want to advertise. That's right. Okay, you probably always rules on Facebook that you're sick of. You're trouble with banned accounts. Parler is having none of that, all right? So that means if you've been angry or frustrated with Facebook or Instagram's rules, account closures, this is your answer, I'm telling you. And you got to jump on it right now, though, because it's like the beginnings and it's wide open. So what is even better, I can show you how to do this all for free. How to gain followers, how to build email lists, how to sell your products or affiliate products on there. You can sell affiliate products, no problem, okay? And you can get instant free traffic even for things like weight loss, work for home, dating, politics, skincare, even ED pills and supplements. Okay, they're not stopping any of this stuff. So, and this stuff, we all know if you're in digital marketing, it makes a ton on Facebook, but you can only advertise it black hat. You can do it white hat on Parler, okay? So, all the big money makers that Facebook and IG and Google refuse to let you advertise, you can do here now. So, let's go ahead and get started, and I want to show you how to do all this stuff right now in this video. I am here to help you make money. So, if this is your first time seeing me and watching my YouTube here videos, go to my channel and smash the subscribe button, okay? Hit the bell so you get notified when I have a new video drop. I've got tons of free tutorials on how to make money online from your house. I've been doing this for over 13 years. I know what I'm talking about, okay? I get people have me travel across the country and different countries to talk about this, okay? I love to do digital marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, so go ahead and subscribe so you can get all these lessons, okay? And you can see how I do crazy monster days of revenue. And I want to show you how to do the same thing, okay? So it's crazy awesome. I love digital marketing. Hit subscribe. All right. So how to make $100 or $500, even $5,000 in one day. You can find all this in my YouTube channel if you hit the subscribe button. Okay, so today we've got an incredible opportunity in front of us, and it hasn't come along since really Facebook was new, maybe around 2007 to 2008, 2009. Yes, this is that big. That's why I sound so excited. I'm not usually like, hey, hype man, but when I went on there, I saw it on the news, and I just went on there. It was crazy because I'll go over all the things, but you can get your own username you want. The hashtags, they're not stopping what you want to advertise because it's a free speech zone. So they're not censoring anything like Facebook is crazy hard right now, right? So if you've been banned on Facebook, try this out. If you've been banned on Twitter, try this out for advertising something. Okay, it's, I guess, encouraged even maybe a Parler, it seems like. So I'm going to show you how to utilize all this, all right? And how you can get a following very quickly for your user on Parler. And you can get traffic for free and start making money right away. But you have to do this right now while it's still at the beginning stages. Okay, people are flooding in right now to use Parlers, which is great because you have more people that'll see what you post. But if you get in right now, you can start getting those followers, and within a couple weeks, you can have a really large account going for subject matters that people haven't tried to tackle yet. It's literally like they just open the gates and then you're at Burning Man and you just capture your little campground, but you can have a huge campground. You can be the king of whatever hill it is you want if you get on there right now. And there's a couple different things you have to know about when you go on there, but it's like a gold rush. Get in right now. You can use this social media. It's an app you can use on your phone. You can use it on your desktop or your laptop, and it's really easy to use. And stick into the end of this video, by the way, you have a free chance at a free giveaway I'm giving if you stay all the way till the end, all right? I'm going to show you a walkthrough on how to sign up. And by the way, if you stay to the end for that giveaway, it's a super cool giveaway, and it's worth a lot of money, all right? So I'm going to give you a walkthrough on how to sign up for Parler. First, you just simply need to enter your email address. I'm going to look over here and as we do it. And phone number, just like Twitter does. This is because they send you a confirmation code to your phone to verify that it's actually you. Then there are some terms to look over. You just go check. And then you need to verify a captcha so they know you aren't a bot. Then you can edit your Parler handle or username and all that stuff. You can edit it. You can change it also while it's live. Fun fact. I told you, there's a whole bunch of stuff you can do. And it can be anything. And since this is all kinds of crazy good names are still out there, if you want to be like affiliate marketing Jim or something, you can still get that name. Heck, affiliate marketing expert's probably still sitting there. If you want to be, I'm the makeup queen, it's probably still sitting there for your handle. Your brand possibly hasn't been stolen yet on Facebook, so the names are all out there. And unlike Facebook, they don't require you to use your legal name. All right, you can be just about whoever you want on there. Okay, if you have an imaginary persona, you can just go ahead and grab it and be on there. Okay, now Parler, I think, has like millions and millions and millions of visitors a month. They just had a huge jump. There was a bunch of people that said, "Well, I'm leaving Facebook and we're going to Parler." Now, most of the people on there are a niche of maybe more conservative or right-leaning people, a lot of Trump followers, and there's a lot of things, if you're a marketer in digital marketing, that you can aim towards. There's a ton of products, and I'm going to show you something, a little walkthrough in a little bit. But you can use your hashtags accordingly for that. And but it's I think you're going to see just people in general maybe move over to this platform, besides just being more right-leaning stuff. As it grows, and it's grown like exponentially in the last week or two. The amount of people that are on there. Okay, so and it's free to join. Did I mention it's free to join? So it's free to join. Even if you have 0 followers, there's a bunch of ways that you can get traffic, and you can also do this for any country in the world. Most of the people are in the United States, which is, tier 1. So there's UK, United States, Australia, Canada. These are tier 1 countries. And so you're going to be able to monetize the best off of these consumers. And that's where most of the traffic is. So Parler, with all the visitors and the tier 1 traffic, it's going to be higher earnings for you. Okay. Now you can set up accounts, and then you can, when I set up my account, I think it was like a couple weeks, and I had over a couple thousand followers, or like 1.7 thousand followers or something like that, in a matter of like 3 weeks. And I didn't even start promoting it much. I maybe made like 7 parlays total, and I have those amount of followers. So you can get views super quickly within hours, like hundreds of thousands of people seeing your parlay, which is what they call a post on Parler. With the different techniques. Even if you have 0 followers, you can get people to see your stuff. So imagine if you could do this on TikTok or Instagram with a new account, you'd have like 0 views. But on Parler, you could literally just day one, boom, you have 1,000 people look at your post. And there's no limit. You could post 50 times in a day. Okay. So just using hashtags and a couple other techniques. Also, you can be whoever you want, like I said, or whatever you want. There's no censors telling you what your username can and can't be. You can name it anything that you want. You can base it around subject matter or whatever it is that you're selling, your company, or even what you're into. So you have to make sure your links will work first, and you need to know that you can't use things like Bitly, and there's a bunch of other shorteners that they don't let you use, which is one of the weird little rules they have. But you can use some click tracking software and use a custom domain, which is what I like to do. I like to use a custom domain of mine. A lot of the time I'll use ClickMeter, and I use it for a lot of my marketing endeavors because there's crazy tracking, and it has great tracking features, A/B testing. You can sign up with as many links as you want when you're on Parler, and you can put a bunch of different tracking for sub IDs. So with ClickMeter, when I'm using ClickMeter, if I have like maybe I did post 1, post 2, post 3, and I use different hashtags. If I want to see what tracking and what came out, I can do all that using ClickMeter. It's super inexpensive, and I have a link on the bottom. If you want to look professional and your links will show up on Parler and other, for that matter, other social media better, then go ahead and check out the link below for ClickMeter. They have all kinds of great features. It's definitely worth it. And if you don't feel like making your own website or doing your own DNS, there's crazy features that you can see in the background here. So just find the link to this in the description below, and you can check out ClickMeter. Now, what do you sell when you're on Parler? So I'm going to make this I want to get this run through so you know everything by the end of this video. If you don't have a product on your own, maybe you have a company or something you are selling. But if you don't, you can do what's called affiliate marketing. And this is basically what I've been doing all these years. This is what I get talked to. I go to conferences and fly out to places like New York City, Panama, Thailand, Las Vegas. Every year, well, before this all happened, every year I'll be traveling and giving talks about this. And I'll be in front of hundreds of people, thousands of people, talking about these things and teaching people how to do this. It's called affiliate marketing. It's where you sell somebody else's product and then they give you money when somebody buys something. So you don't have to have the risk of having a bunch of stuff in your garage at inventory cost or anything like that. All you're going to do is if you can get free traffic like on Parler, like I'm telling you, then you just make money on the sale. And that's it. So the risk is super low. Low risk equals less stress or low stress. And that's what I'm looking for. And you're probably looking for it too. Let's make more money while having less stress. I think everybody's happy. All right. So you can find products to sell. A great starting spot is ClickBank. ClickBank will accept you. You just need to sign up and log in and they will accept you. And then you can promote other people's products. You can look through. There's a whole bunch of things you can look through, but depending on the subject matter. Now, if it's a mostly conservative or maybe a lot of people that are fans of Donald Trump, like is on Parler right now, and that's just a niche, and you got to know your audience. There's tons of products that people might enjoy that are on Parler. And so you can just do a search through ClickBank, find some products, start posting links, and you will make some money most likely. And it's free advertising. So usually like Facebook and IG, you have to have a ton of followers or pay for ads. I like paid ads as well, but if you can do organic and get the views, I'm all about organic because it's free. And if it's free, it's for me, right? All right, so Parler, when they're watching your stuff, you might be one of the first people that's selling what you're selling on there. That's how early this is. And I can't emphasize it enough that you should probably get started on this like right now, today, after you finish watching this video, because I'd say there's probably a good anywhere from a couple months to maybe a year, or it could be a couple weeks. But once you're in and you get your account going, you get the followers now. So it's something you want to do like ASAP. If you can go hog wild on there as far as what you want to promote. If you have like, heck, ED pills and you want to promote them, you can post that 100 times a day, and you can do it across multiple accounts. If you want, they're not supposed to have multiple accounts because you have to have one for each cell phone, and you don't probably have 50 cell phones. There's a way around this. And I do have a course I've put together showing you how to utilize this as a mass marketer. So instead of just trying to make like $500 a day or $100 a day, why not try and make $1,000 or even $5,000 in a day, right? That's what I like to shoot for. I've had some crazy days as an affiliate marketer. I don't have a team. It's just me sitting in my home office, which is also my YouTube studio, in my nice house in San Diego. And that's what I do, man. So that's why I'm trying to spread the love with you guys. Also, email collection on Parler. I love to grow huge email lists, and Parler is great for that because the same way I can send traffic to something, I can have polls or articles to one of my little web pages that I make, or some kind of poll, and say, hey, let me know your opinion on this. Give me your email. And you can collect large email lists for free without doing paid ads. So you don't need paid ads. It's incredible. So you can use like WordPress or ClickFunnels or Groove Pages to do this. By the way, I have links in the description for all the stuff if you want to learn more about it. I have videos explaining it. So once again, subscribe to the YouTube channel because I've got videos explaining all this stuff. If it sounds crazy to you, it's not that hard. And you can make a really good living utilizing all this stuff. And it's pretty close to free for a lot of these tools. All right. So check out my links for more in depth. Also, you can get a free traffic. And when you get the free traffic and grow your email list, and email it's you can reach these people for pennies, and then you can keep re-advertising to them. So it's not like some lost thing where they saw it one day and they won't see it the next. Because when you're getting an email, you can send daily emails to your list, or a couple times a week, or once a week, whatever it is you want to do, and you can keep making your return on investment on those folks month after month, day after day, month after month, year after year. That's where the really big money is. All right, so let me show you some folks are doing on Parler right now as we speak, and how they're making money. I'm just going to take an example and look at it. Okay, so this is Murphy, I guess. He's selling diet supplements, and it's a huge no-no on Facebook. But you know what? On Parler, he's posting very frequently here. Within an hour, almost 500 people see each parlay, which is crazy. So he's getting 500. That's just in the first like hour or two. So maybe after a couple days or a week, there might be like 1,500 people that see it, depending on if it gets echoed or not. There's techniques to that as well, and how to get people to share your stuff. But he's getting thousands of views for his affiliate offers, it looks like. And this is all okay on Parler. It's above board. It's a free speech zone. And that's what I'm talking about. So Facebook in 2008, where it was almost impossible not to make money using organic traffic techniques, that's what's happening right now on Parler. It's without all the crackdown and censorship. Okay, so now you know that Parler is crazy hot right now, and if you're into marketing or you're just new to marketing, you got to try it. So hit my links and subscribe to the YouTube channel and get started. And do not wait. All right. Do not wait to start this. Just hit the links. Oh, the giveaway I promised. Also, I have my giveaway. So type in the comments, teach me Parler Dave, and I will pick a winner of my quick start course for free. This is basically a quick start course on how to get started with affiliate marketing and email list building. It's the basics and the genesis of what I've been doing for over 13 years. It's how I bought this house. It's how I have my cars and how I support my family, and how I've been working from home without a boss for 13, almost 14 years now. Okay. And I love it. So go ahead and put that Teach Me Parler Dave in the comments, and I will pick a winner out of there, and somebody's going to get that for free. And I'll talk to you soon. Check out all my videos, and I love talking to you guys. Good to see you out there, and jump on this Parler thing right now. It's crazy. All right. See ya.